A journey through time, stepping into the unknown. Time travel, a concept that has captivated the human imagination for centuries. The ability to journey through time, to witness historical events, or to glimpse into the future holds an irresistible allure. It has been the subject of countless works of science fiction, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the iconic film Back to the Future. But could time travel be more than just a figment of our imagination? Could it be a real possibility? Time is often described as a fourth dimension, alongside the three spatial dimensions of length, width, and height. Just as we can move through space, could we also navigate the dimension of time? The answer, as with many things in science, is a complex one. Our current understanding of physics, particularly Einstein's theory of relativity, suggests that time travel may not be entirely outside the realm of possibility. Einstein's theory revolutionized our view of time, showing that it is not absolute, but rather relative to the observer's frame of reference. This means that time can be stretched and compressed, a phenomenon known as time dilation. Einstein's theory of relativity provides the foundation for our current understanding of time travel. One of its key predictions is the existence of wormholes, theoretical tunnels that connect two different points in space-time. These cosmic shortcuts could potentially allow for travel between distant parts of the universe and perhaps even through time itself. Imagine space-time as a sheet of fabric. A wormhole would be like a fold in this fabric, connecting two points that would otherwise be far apart. By traveling through this wormhole, a spaceship could effectively take a shortcut, arriving at its destination much faster than traveling through conventional space. However, there are significant challenges to overcome before wormhole travel could become a reality. For one, wormholes are notoriously unstable, and keeping them open would require exotic matter with negative mass-energy density, a substance yet to be discovered. Furthermore, the gravitational forces involved in such a journey would be immense, potentially posing significant risks to any travelers. Another theoretical model for time travel involves cosmic strings, hypothetical defects in the fabric of space-time that are thought to have formed in the early universe. These strings would possess immense density and gravitational pull, potentially warping space-time around them. The time traveler's paradox, navigating the loopholes. The possibility of time travel raises a plethora of paradoxes, the most famous of which is the grandfather paradox. This paradox poses the question, what would happen if a time traveler were to go back in time and kill their own grandfather before their parent was born? If the grandfather were to die, the time traveler would never have been born. But if the time traveler were never born, they couldn't have gone back in time to kill their grandfather in the first place. This creates a logical contradiction, suggesting that time travel to the past may be impossible. Several hypotheses attempt to resolve the grandfather paradox. One possibility is the Novikov self-consistency principle, which states that if an event has a non-zero probability of occurring, then there must be at least one self-consistent solution. Section 4. A future shaped by time travel, utopian dreams and dystopian nightmares. The implications of time travel extend far beyond the realm of theoretical physics. The ability to manipulate time could have profound consequences for society, technology, and our understanding of the universe. Imagine a world where we could travel through time to witness historical events firsthand, to study ancient civilizations, or to prevent catastrophic events from occurring. Time travel could revolutionize our understanding of history, allowing us to see the past with our own eyes rather than relying on incomplete records and interpretations. Medical advancements could reach unprecedented heights, with doctors potentially being able to travel back in time to prevent diseases or to reverse the effects of aging. The economic impact of time travel is equally staggering. Imagine being able to invest in companies or technologies with the foreknowledge of their future success. However, alongside these utopian possibilities, time travel also presents a Pandora's box of potential dangers. Section 5. The ripple effect, unintended consequences of tampering with time. The butterfly effect, a concept from chaos theory, highlights the interconnectedness of events and the potential for small changes to have significant and unpredictable consequences. In the context of time travel, even seemingly insignificant actions could have far-reaching and unintended consequences for the timeline. For instance, imagine a time traveler accidentally stepping on an insect in the past. This seemingly insignificant action could disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem, potentially leading to a chain of events that could alter the course of history. The ethical implications of time travel are equally complex. Who would have the authority to control access to time travel technology? What rules and regulations would be necessary to prevent misuse? The potential for abuse is vast, with individuals potentially using time travel for personal gain, to rewrite history to their liking, or even to commit crimes without consequence. The very fabric of society could be threatened by the existence of time travel. Section 6. Time travel and the human psyche, implications for our perception of reality. Beyond the societal and ethical implications, time travel could also have profound effects on our individual psychology and our perception of reality. The ability to witness the future or to revisit the past could challenge our fundamental understanding of time and our place within it. Imagine knowing the exact date of your own death, or seeing the world descend into chaos in the future. Such knowledge could be both a blessing and a curse. On the other hand, time travel could provide a unique opportunity for self-reflection and growth. Imagine being able to go back in time to right past wrongs or to offer advice to your younger self. Such experiences could be profoundly transformative, allowing us to learn from our mistakes and to gain a deeper understanding of ourselves. However, the ability to revisit the past could also trap us in a cycle of regret and what-ifs. Section 7. Our ever-evolving understanding of time and the cosmos. The quest to understand time travel is ultimately a quest to understand the nature of time itself and our place within the cosmos. While we may never achieve definitive answers, the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the unknown are fundamental to the human spirit. As our understanding of physics and the universe continues to evolve, so too will our conception of time travel. What may seem impossible today could become the reality of tomorrow, just as countless scientific breakthroughs throughout history were once considered the realm of science fiction. Whether time travel ultimately proves to be possible or remains a tantalizing impossibility, its exploration has enriched our understanding of the universe and our place within it.